quick video on this product. My wife's taking it camping with my son tomorrow. It's a battery operated.
USB rechargeable.
Oh, it's rechargeable? I'm sorry, stand corrected. Not battery. Well, it's battery operated, but not removable, just rechargeable.
It says USB rechargeable, lasts for 15 plus blends and recharges quickly. Water resistant USB charger port. Cable included. Good.
She's taking it camping. USB-A to USB-C, about 3 feet in length, this cable. 3 feet or a foot and a half? About 19 inches in length. I think it's completely dead. That's the USB-C port for charging, I believe. Let me just give you. Handle there. charge it up, see what happens. Does it all, I guess it comes apart for cleaning as well. Be careful with this, very sharp. And this is the battery. Cool. Let's charge it up. All right, put it to charge, and I give it a couple of hours or more. Let me see if it works while it's charged. While it's charging, is there an on and off button? No. Interesting. Let me see something. Nothing. All right, let's come back. See when it fully charges.
My charger must be really, really slow because this is like 12 hours later and it's still not fully charged. You can see the blue has to go completely around. But we have to get ready for camping, so I have to now pack it. So this is as far as we're gonna get it. Looks like about 80% done. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's sort of like from the 12 o'clock to the 9 o'clock. So it's 3/4 done, or 75% charged. They took the blender camping. They just got, well, they didn't just get back. They've been back for a couple of days now. I'm just finishing off the video on this battery-powered blender, and it was used. And did you have any issues in regards to power?
No, not at all. At first, I turned it on. I thought that it wasn't turning on, but it just flashes a couple of times. I guess to let you know that it's ready to actually blend. It was a blue flash.
And did it blend? Did it mix your drink?
Yeah, at first I also thought that it wasn't chopping up the ice, but the ice ended up getting blended as well.
So it's
it was
strong
a full
enough.
blend. Yeah, it's really good.
And it's fully blue. Wow, it still has a lot of power. So as you can see, let me just show you. So it holds its power. And it's amazing what we do now with batteries and what we can run with batteries. Cars, planes, blenders. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and now I'm getting a chance to look at the instructions. I didn't get a chance to look at anything because I did a quick video as I was trying to pack up and get my breakfast
And that'll
done.
be after this this take.
But it indicates that if it's only 50% charged, then the circle will be half purple, half blue. When there's a full charge, it's a solid blue circle. And it also has a pulse mode, which I didn't realize, so that you can double press the power button and it pulses the items. And it says perfect for guacamole, salsa, and hummus.
So it was a definite plus on your trip.
It was. I didn't get to use it for anything else but making my breakfast shake. But I could definitely see how if you're doing a little bit of extra cooking, you can blend certain items to prepare for meals, or as it says in this, you can make little guacamole, little other dishes, and not just smoothies, which is pretty neat.
I also see this like if you have a backyard and there's no extension cord that you have, you could actually just bring out the blender with you and make any kind of drinks or food or anything. It would work great. Yeah, it seems to be very strong. So it's
Well, it crushed
good
the ice.
quality, and it crushed the ice according to my wife. All right, anything else you would like to say about it?
No, I really liked it. I was surprised how well it worked, being that it's battery powered. So I really appreciate it. It was free for me, so that was a double plus. It was a nice gift from the company or gain when I made a purchase.
All right. Well, I'll definitely use it as well if I out and about. All right, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. The following will be my wife using the actual blender at the campsite.
Bye. Hey y'all, I'm just showing a quick review of this blendjet blender that I got for free from Orgain. They sent it to me because I ordered a certain amount as part of an offer. So I'm just gonna do a quick show. I'm here camping and I wanted to see how it would work, since this is probably one of the rare situations where I would use a portable blender. I've never thought of having a portable blender. So I put a little bit of ice, I put a little bit more. And then I will add my shake. I'm in the back of my car right now. So this is a little bit of camping and glamping situation. I had this pre-measured, so I think I'm putting about the right amount of measurement. Okay, I didn't think this through that it would get in the back of my car, but that's okay. We'll clean it up. Okay, and then comes with a cute strap. If for whatever reason I'm going to be walking around with it, which I don't think so. I believe I charged this the night before. Yesterday, so it's been 2 days. Let's see if it works. Oh no, what does that mean? Oh, it does work. Oh, super cool. So it's not crushing ice, but that's fine. It's doing a good blend. Oh, maybe it did crush the ice because I don't hear it anymore. That's pretty neat. I think it did crush the ice, which would be nice for also blending like veggies or fruits or something for either drinking or for cooking. Oh yeah, it did crush the ice. Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll give specifics. Probably I'll have my husband put it down below. Thank you. Bye-bye.